Hello, damn good to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me do show this here, the RRAU, or YRREU television stand. This is a rollable, with bracket and storage space equipped fabric drawer for 32 to 55 inches televisions, adjustable corner television stand with the wheels for living room, for the bedroom, and the office. And it comes in a black finish. It's also on the market in retro brown available. Thanks to 4 smooth running swivel casters. It can be easily moved from the room to room. 2 of the wheels are lockable, so our television is stable and secure, perfect for flexible living spaces and various viewing habits. We enjoy the perfect screen height with this rollable television stand, whether we are sitting on a sofa, lying in a bed, or standing. The stable holder allows us to adjust the height individually and thus enjoy a comfortable and clear view experience. And we can store remote controls, cables, or controllers neatly in the deep fabric drawers. This television trolley combines a media storage with a space-saving design without a bulky piece of furniture. And the mobile television stand with wheels is compatible to the most television models out there from 32 to 55 inches. The universal mounting system and the reinforced frame ensures a stability and secure hold. And the scope of delivery includes all tools and let's have a look to my clear step-by-step instruction video so that we can install our television stand quickly and easy at the same time. So you see, that's a mobile television stand with a casters offers a flexible use in the living room, the bedroom, or the office. The height is adjustable. The bracket can be tightened, though that are 32 up to 55 inches. Television is always in the ideal viewing angle. Thanks to the sturdy construction with a universal mount, it is compatible to the most televisions out there. A large fabric door provides additional storage space to remote controls, cables, or controllers. With 4 wheels, 2 of which can be locked, the television car can be easily moved and secured, fixed on a place. Fast assembly with all necessary tools and a reliable, really nice, easy instruction video on my channel is for you, ready to make a good job with this RRAU television stand. A rollable, compatible with the bracket and the storage space fabric drawer, and 32 to 55 inch televisions, an adjustable corner television stand with wheels for the living room, for the bedroom, for the office, in black design, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!